The Future Transportation System in 2050. Welcome to the latest issue of Top Secret. Do you believe that one day, cars could take flight and the roads would no longer be plagued by traffic jams? And people can travel between cities in the blink of an eye? Though it sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, that scenario is gradually becoming a reality. Get ready to step into the world of 2050, where transportation goes far beyond mere change, while also igniting the imagination of all humanity. Gyro roller still moving. One of the most ambitious and novel transportation projects has been attracting significant attention lately. This is the second-floor transport system, a unique idea developed by near-ISO company. This project proposes a completely novel approach. Compared to traditional public transportation that still appears daily, it is considered a modern, intelligent, and vastly improved version of the upgraded model, which was once the center of heated controversy. At that time, the BIT car model looked like a giant mobile bridge running along the roads. Allow vintage vehicles to pass through below without having to wait. However, the biggest difference and also the key advantage of the system. The key difference of the near-ISO we are developing lies in the vehicle's technical structure. Instead of using a fixed pillar system to support the car body like the old design, the new project utilizes a flexible telescopic tubular support technology. This vehicle is capable of actively adjusting its height, suitable for all diverse traffic conditions. On the roof of the vehicle, the company has installed a solar panel system. Acting as a stable and continuous source of energy, helps the vehicle operate stably without relying entirely on the power grid. Each support shaft in the system is uniquely designed, with an integrated motor and sensor. It has the capability to analyze, monitor, and respond in real time based on the current traffic situation. All these axles operate on a specially designed steel cable system, directly attached to the existing road surface. near-ISO stated that the construction cost for this pipeline network is significantly lower compared to the cost of constructing road surfaces using traditional methods with concrete or asphalt. As a result, the total investment cost for the entire project was significantly reduced. One of the most prominent advantages of the Layer 2 transport system is its flexible adaptability to real-world situations. When an unexpected obstacle appears on the tracks, such as a car or another vehicle parked incorrectly and causing an obstruction, the support axles can automatically and independently raise or lower to overcome obstacles. As a result, the vehicle is not brought to an abrupt halt and can move continuously and safely. To minimize localized congestion, which is a frequent cause of traffic jams on urban routes. However, at present, this second-layer transport system remains only a digital model and has not yet been deployed in reality. However, recent reports suggest that near-ISO is in negotiations with the Qatari government to pilot this system in Middle Eastern countries next year. If the agreement is successful, this will be an important step forward, marking a transformation for urban transportation globally, opening a future where public transportation systems not only operate more intelligently but also achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency and environmental friendliness. The tunnel was constructed underground. One of the most promising transportation projects, which is capturing significant attention from the tech industry and modern urban planners, is the dedicated tunnel system for electric vehicles. Developed by the Boring Company. This is a renowned company owned by the founder of centerpiece, a name already synonymous with visionary ideas that were ahead of their time. The company is currently implementing a project in Las Vegas that is expected to completely transform urban mobility in densely populated cities. Unlike conventional subway or high-speed rail systems, the Boring Company's model aims to create a dedicated tunnel system exclusively for electric passenger vehicles. This idea combines the convenience of personal vehicles with the efficiency of public transportation systems, aiming to deliver a faster commuting solution that reduces congestion and is more environmentally friendly. Road users wishing to utilize this system will drive their vehicles to the tunnel entrance point, where a large capacity elevator is installed. This elevator is responsible for transporting entire cars from ground level to the basement quickly and safely. Once they have descended, the vehicles will switch to automatic mode and no longer require a driver. Instead, a dedicated electric towing system will receive and transport the vehicle along the tunnel. This process is fully automated using technology, ensuring absolute safety throughout the journey. These tunnels were constructed to connect key areas within the city center or to link neighboring urban areas. When the vehicle reaches the necessary location, a towing platform system will bring it to the surface via an elevator. From here, the driver can continue to travel on the road normally without any obstacles. With its closed-loop operating mechanism, this system not only saves time but also helps minimize traffic congestion, a persistent challenge in major cities worldwide. One of the most notable features of this system is the power supply rail. This is a specialized design, created to maintain a constant connection to a fixed power source within the tunnel. As a result, it can operate continuously without needing to be recharged, while also not consuming the battery power or fuel of the vehicle itself. This cable car system can travel at speeds of up to 200 km per hour, significantly reducing travel time between points within the city or even to neighboring cities. When the system is fully operational, the entire traffic network will function as a complete, closed two-tier structure. The upper level is a road system for conventional vehicles, while the lower level is a dedicated tunnel exclusively for electric cars. This model promises to be the optimal solution for current urban traffic issues, helping to reduce pollution, save time, improve commuting efficiency, and simultaneously deliver a completely new experience for users. This project not only marks a technological leap forward but also opens up a new future for transportation systems in major cities worldwide. For decades, the dream of building a flying car has been a driving inspiration for scientists, engineers, and the world's leading technology corporations. Numerous prototypes have been developed, with some even achieving successful test flights. However, to date, no design has been sufficiently perfected for mass production and widespread adoption as a common vehicle in daily life. However, thanks to the remarkable advancements of modern technology, limits once thought to be insurmountable are now gradually being erased. One of the latest projects, considered to have very high practical potential, is the result of a collaboration between three leading names in different fields. That is aircraft manufacturer Airbus, luxury car brand Audi, and renowned design company Atlantis. The combination of the three units created a completely new vehicle model, named Pop-Up Nex. This self-driving flying car model was developed to meet the demand for flexible and convenient transportation in densely populated urban areas, where ground traffic infrastructure is increasingly overloaded. Pop-Up Nex is not merely a flying car. This vehicle features a breakthrough modular design, with a structure divided into three main components. The first section is the passenger compartment, crafted from ultra-lightweight carbon fiber while still ensuring high durability and absolute safety. The second part is the ground module, which operates on electric power and can move like a conventional vehicle. The third part is the flight module, equipped with a multi-directional rotor system, allowing the device to take off vertically like a modern drone. Users can call Pop-Up Nex through a dedicated application. This application goes beyond standard ride-hailing features, offering real-time traffic analysis to suggest the most optimal routes for users. If the system detects that the road route is congested or inconvenient for travel, the vehicle will automatically switch to another mode of operation. The ground module will detach from the passenger cabin, while the flight module will move to a predetermined location to pick up the passenger cabin and transport the passengers to their destination via an aerial route. This feature allows users to flexibly choose the most suitable mode of transportation for their actual situation, without having to worry about transferring vehicles or waiting times. The entire transition between the two modes is fully automated, providing passengers with a seamless and authentic experience from the point of departure to the destination. From a technical standpoint, the Pop-Up Nex's design has reached a level where it is nearly ready for mass production. Initial tests indicate that all three modules are operating stably. The intelligent navigation system not only handles complex situations effectively but also ensures maximum safety for users. Although more time is still needed to finalize safety and legal standards before it can be widely applied. However, experts all agree that the Pop-Up Nex is likely to become one of the most significant breakthroughs in the field of personal transportation in the near future. This is not just a groundbreaking product, but it also ushers in a new era for the global transportation industry. The Renault Float is a unique automotive concept inspired by the image of soap bubbles. True to its name, this vehicle aims to create a gentle, relaxing, and emotionally rich driving experience, as if floating effortlessly. The car of the future. Amidst a multitude of unique and creative ideas submitted from all over the world, one design stood out, captured everyone's attention, and brilliantly secured the most prestigious award. That is the Renault Float. a vehicle possessing a completely novel and distinct appearance, far surpassing any traditional car design that has ever existed before. The Renault Float takes the form of a transparent bubble, gently hovering and moving above the ground. From the very first glance, this design exudes a modern, futuristic, and incredibly impressive vibe. Each compartment on the vehicle is optimally designed to hold a maximum of 2 people. This design ensures both minimal comfortable space for passengers and maintains a compact size for easy navigation in crowded urban areas. This makes the Renault Float the ideal solution for personal transportation or for 2 people in large cities, where traffic congestion is increasingly severe. The unique aspect of the Renault Float lies not only in its distinctive bubble-shaped design but also in its highly flexible operating mechanism. This is a modular vehicle, meaning the cars can be easily and flexibly connected to form larger capacity trains when needed. This connection process is carried out entirely automatically by a system of magnetic wiring. The compartments can recognize each other, automatically move closer, and connect without needing to stop or any manual intervention from the operator. This intelligent mechanism not only saves time but also delivers a completely different transportation experience, as vehicles can flexibly alter their structure to suit actual needs. One of the factors that makes the Renault Float truly superior is its surprisingly smooth and quiet operation. Since it does not make direct contact with the road surface like traditional vehicles, this type of transport nearly eliminates all vibration, friction, and noise during operation. The person inside will experience a floating sensation, as if being suspended in midair by an invisible cushion of air. This not only provides passengers with maximum comfort but also contributes to creating a much quieter, more peaceful, and relaxing transportation experience. With its outstanding advantages in design, technology, and user experience, the Renault Float is considered a breakthrough and iconic concept for the future of transportation. It is not only a testament to humanity's boundless creativity, but also unveils a completely new vision for how we will navigate the modern world in the coming decades. Aeromobile makes a powerful impression as a means of transportation for a multitude of special reasons. First and foremost, the most remarkable aspect is that this is no longer just a concept on paper or a demonstration model, but a genuine flying vehicle that has been built and tested in real-world conditions. The birth of Aeromobile marks a significant step forward, turning the dream of manufacturing a flying car into reality. With its sophisticated, luxurious design and strong aerodynamic character, the Aeromobile not only captivates every gaze but also showcases meticulous craftsmanship in every mechanical detail. Every line on the car body is meticulously refined, exuding both a modern beauty and a sense of graceful strength. What truly sets Aeromobile apart is its flexible operational capability, which meets all the practical needs of its users. The driver can easily switch between 2 modes: driving on the road like a conventional car or switching to flight mode to quickly cover long distances. No matter which mode it operates in, this vehicle consistently delivers a smooth, comfortable ride equipped with modern technological features. The sensation of sitting in a vehicle that rides as smoothly as a luxury car while also being able to take off seamlessly like an aircraft is sure to excite anyone. Another standout advantage of Aeromobile is its ability to switch swiftly and seamlessly between the 2 modes. In less than 3 minutes, the car was able to extend its wings and was ready for takeoff like a real airplane. When operating in the air, the Aeromobile can reach a maximum speed of up to 360 km per hour with an impressive flight range of approximately 750 km. Meanwhile, while traveling on the road, this vehicle can still maintain an impressive speed of up to approximately 160 km per hour. This allows it to outperform most conventional car lines on the market, not only in performance but also in operational flexibility. License but also be certified by the Aviation Authority with a pilot. Takeoff also requires a dedicated runway, similar to operating a light aircraft. In the United States, this type of vehicle has not yet been officially approved for use on public roads. However, manufacturers are actively taking the necessary steps to obtain approval and put Aeromobile into operation. In the near future, residents of many countries are very likely to witness Aeromobile flying cars appearing in the skies or at small airports, ushering in a completely new era of transportation. The Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100 is a concept model designed with an extremely distinctive appearance, making a profound impression from the very first glance. The car body is coated in a unique blue-tinted silver paint, giving it the appearance of an object from the future or from a world entirely different from that of traditional car models today. The most notable highlight is the extremely large wheel arches, which contribute significantly to the vehicle's overall rugged and utterly distinctive appearance. However, despite possessing a futuristic appearance, the car still fully retains the characteristic lines that have become an icon of the Rolls-Royce brand. The Geong line continues to inherit a classic, luxurious style with a long front-end hood, a signature vertical radiator grille, large-sized wheels, and a sophisticated rear hinged door system. Spirit of ecstasy. With a wheelbase of approximately 5,900 mm, this concept model is 460 mm shorter than the current Phantom extended version. However, the distinctive feature is that it is not a conventional four-door sedan like the brand's other luxury models. The interior space of the Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100 is also completely differently designed. The interior features a single bench seat, facing forward and wide enough to comfortably accommodate two people. This creates a more spacious cabin, offering a feeling closer to a mobile relaxation space rather than a conventional means of transportation. The materials used in the car's interior are a sophisticated blend of modern style and classic elegance. The frame is crafted from premium carbon fiber, significantly reducing weight while simultaneously enhancing superior durability. Meanwhile, the floor is lined with soft, hand-woven wool carpeting, while the dashboard and other interior details are trimmed in natural wood. The seats are upholstered in high-quality silk material, creating a luxurious space that exudes an elegant and noble beauty. Another impressive feature of this vehicle is its fully electric operating system. The vehicle is equipped with two 250 kilowatts electric motors, positioned at both the front and rear. Distributes traction evenly and ensures smooth operation on all terrains. Particularly, the Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100 model completely forgoes a steering wheel and also has no accelerator pedal. The vehicle had no brakes and also lacked any mechanical controls in front of the seat. All control operations are handled by the artificial intelligence system, turning the vehicle into a fully autonomous means of transportation. Opening a future where people